About 2 months ago, a friend of mine shared with me a brand new strategy that he has managed to use to make over $50 by simply getting people to click on links. And the strategy that he was using is by simply posting those links on Twitter. Now, with my experience, I have decided to try this by taking a whole new approach on how to get people to click on those links. And I was managed to make over $350 in the last week or so, and today I want to share with you this strategy so that you can go ahead and start making some money by utilizing the same strategy that I am using to start making money online today. So with that said, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you what this new website is and how you can start making money with this strategy today. Let's go. Alright guys, so this website here on my screen by the name of exe.io. This website will literally pays you money by simply getting people to click on their links. So if you look here on the payout rates, you can see that they accept people worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are worldwide, you can easily make money with this website. And here you can see the rates that they're paying. So this is the rate for desktop or laptop, and this is the rate for mobile. And for 1,000 views, you can easily get $12. And here you can scroll down through the website and you can see how much money you can make based on where those clicks or views are coming from, how much money you can easily make. Now, it doesn't matter if it's viewed on desktop or mobile, you realize that the rates are basically the same. Now that you see how much money you can make with this brand new strategy, all you have to do is simply place links from whichever website into this link shortener and simply get people to click on it. It's as simple as that. So you simply place a link, you get 1,000 views on that link, and you make money from that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So let me explain the strategy to you. So if you head over to this website by the name of newsnow.co, you realize that you can find a lot of news articles. And let's take sports for example. You can easily create a group on Facebook around football or whichever sport, and you start posting those articles by putting a catchy title and pictures from the sports article and simply post that link shortener, and when people click on this, you can easily make money from that. So there you see, if you have a targeted page around football or whichever sports and you keep updating this page every single day with these news articles, you can easily build a following and get 1,000 clicks every single day. And the next strategy, you can easily make these posts on Twitter as well. And when you receive 1,000 clicks, you can easily make that money as well. But by far, the best way how to make money utilizing this strategy is by creating a Facebook page around a targeted niche, for example, football or whichever sports or whichever news category that you choose. Build a fan base, and every single time you post a link within that page, you can easily get 1,000 clicks within a day or less once you build up your following. And that's how I was managed to make a couple $100 utilizing this strategy. Now, I really hope that you found some value and get a really good insight on how you can make money utilizing this strategy today. So if you find some value within this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, let me know in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more money making videos coming out every single week just like this one. See you next time.